Good morning. Good morning. I hope you're having an amazing morning and you're ready to trade the stock market. Today, we're going to be looking at ARPO CJJD SNMP CALA Doge and Tesla. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned. Please make sure to subscribe. You like this video and share it so other traders can join us today as we scalp this stock market. All right, guys, hopefully you're having an amazing morning today. Let's go ahead and go through our watch list and let's see what is moving today in the penny stock world. Let's make sure we have everything going okay here. How's everybody doing? Let me get some music here in the background. Make sure. Get some beats going on here. All right, so first thing in our watch list is SNMP. Okay, they announced an agreement with NUVE and Stonepeak to pursue a $750 million joint venture. Okay, to deploy electric vehicle charging and transportation service for school buses and other commercial fleets. All right, so not bad news. Okay, then we have ARPO. ARPO had news this morning, and they had reports of first quarter financial results, so it's an earnings play here. CJJD doesn't have news. I don't know why it's moving. And we have CALA. They have news. They ensure license agreement, development and commercialization of let me see. Okay, the company announced they will receive an upfront payment of $255 million to license its how come I can't see everything? To license its CD73 inhibitor. Okay, so that's the news. And then we're going to be looking at, like always, guys, we're going to be looking at Doge. Okay, let me bring Doge over here. So Doge, just kind of trading sideways, holding the support right here at 43 cents. We were looking to touch this trend line at 62 cents. Okay, we did touch the 60 cents. Then we had the MACD crossover. So we're currently on a downtrend, but we do have support here, 44 cents. So as long as we hold this support, we're good. And now we'll come and test this 35 again. But it got bought back up. So not too bad. We do want to cross the MACD to the upside here on the 4 hour, and then we'll be good. We'll probably touch the 65 area rate, depending where this trend line is when we go to the upside. I'm gonna keep an eye on that. And then we always like to look also at Tesla. See if it gives us any opportunities. Okay, so Tesla looked like it had a red day on Friday. I guess it was alright. We had a play here, here. We had 3 signals. All of them could have gave you some okay profits, especially this one and this one. So we'll keep an eye out for those signals. They do pretty well. Okay, here we're basically to the downside on the 200 EMA. But let's say we have a green day on Tesla today. Normally we we've had a red day, then a green day, then a red day, and kind of going back and forth. We'll see what happens today. See if we can get some upside today. So off the open, guys, probably gonna be watching SNMP and probably ARPO. Okay, this one just got a signal here. Yeah, put all my charts here ready to go for the open. Okay, which one's the lowest float? Let's see what the lowest float is. The lowest float is going to be SNMP with 13 million in float. Yeah, guys, so the lowest float is going to be SNMP. That's the lowest float right now, so we want to keep an eye on the lowest float. SNMP and ARPO. ARPO. Get a reversal and break maybe this 138 to 140. SNMP. ARPO looking gonna break that area. 140. The float in ARPO is 44 million, so higher flow than SNMP. Okay, market's open. Let's see what is going on. ARPO. Let's see if ARPO can come back to around this area right here and bounce back. The VWAP is. Okay, everything's dipping. Everything's coming down. ARPO is holding up. Let's see if we can come to the VWAP area. No, ARPO didn't want to come down. It is breaking that trend. Okay, that's a quick pop. I was really hoping for a dip first before it popped up. Everything in our watch list. CJJD just coming down. CLA coming down. SNMP is trying to hold that $1 support. ARPO hitting new high. I didn't want to chase because everything was dumping, but I'm looking for a dip. Trying to hold the MACD still looks good. Came to touch right here, this 140 at the VWAP. See if it can hold. Trying to hold that low day. Hold VWAP. Let's see if I can get some right there, VWAP. Okay. It's holding 139. Okay, I got a 138 average. Let's see if we can hold there. A bounce. SNMP also trying to get a bounce here. Is SNMP halted? It's not moving. ARPO still trying to hold VWAP. We need to stay above this 137 level. I think SNMP's halted up. ARPO. Get above that 142. Yeah, SNMP's halted up. The $1 dip was nice. Morning, Steven. How you doing, man? Okay, we break that 136 area. I'm not gonna like it no more. I'm gonna look for an exit. There we go. Go by RPO. There we go. Let's get a new high. Go RPO. 147 resistance now. Nice volume. Go RPO. With some resistance there. Come on, ARPO. Yeah, I'm getting out of ARPO for now. Just not liking the momentum. I got a small profit. I was hoping it would rip there as it broke 142 area. Okay, he's trying again. I'm gonna try again. SNMP coming back down. After being halted, testing VWAP. TLRY, you like TLRY, huh? Are you swinging that, Steven, or you're stay trading? Yeah, ARPO's having too much of a hard time. VIV. This is something I'm swinging. You're hoping for a nice swing. DPW up 2. DPW. Yeah, you've been watching DPW for a while. Take a look at it right now. Guys, make sure you go ahead and like the video. It just helps the channel. What do we have? DPW. I was gonna check DPW. Okay, yeah, we're up a bit. Candle kind of consolidating there. We can get above this 250, Steven. Probably get some volume and start moving up. Break this trend right here on the far. Yeah, 250 is. I'm gonna put an alert here. See if we can get 250 break. ARPO coming down. That's not moving up. Tesla. This being kind of choppy up and down. Let me test the VWAP here. I don't like it when it's up and down. I like to see a solid move to the downside for a bit, and then to the upside, or to the upside and then to the downside. When it moves like that up and down, there's no direction. You don't know which way it's gonna go. Let's see what else is moving. ALF. The scanners. I don't know why. Depends. Out of AI enabled tablets with right cheers. Okay, let's have some sort of news here. SNMP is our top gainer. This was the one with the lowest float. So I was looking at it, but it's toppy. Did this move to the upside? I wasn't really looking at it at the open because of the MACD cross. We were going in a negative momentum, and as you've seen before during the day, when the 3-minute we're going on a negative momentum and we have some sort of spike, it'll usually come back and continue on the downward momentum. So it's kind of a trap. Most of the time it's gonna be a trap. The ARPO is coming down. Yeah, I couldn't do it. That's why I got out. I didn't like the price action. Was looking a little iffy. You're up 5%. Steven, on what? 5% on what? DPW or TLRY? Let's look at TLRY. So you're swinging TLRY, right? Okay, nice. Okay, we got this nice daily, Steven, on the daily. We can break below this daily trend right here that we haven't been able to break, and we got some room to run. We would have to break above this $70 range, $17, and probably go to the moon on this one. Yeah, we'll have some resistance there at 18 and then 19. Yeah, not too shabby. Go ahead and draw another trend here. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna have some resistance there. TLRY around 1464. That's right where that trend line is in the 4-hour. We break above that, we'll probably hit 15. From there we have open range up to $17.50, $18 area. And watch. Okay, so SPY had to move to the upside and it's coming down. SNMP. SNMP rejected this 128, guys, twice. So let's see if we can get a third touch breakout. We do have on the daily room to run to 146. So take a look at that. Eyes bit up, and this one has just been destroyed. We're above this trend line now, so we'll see if we can get some continuation to the upside on the daily. Let's see stuff I have on watch. CADM. not doing much. See what else is moving. Don't forget to like the video, guys. We can get some we can help the channel, and they can display another recommended videos. Here we still have momentum to the downside. Just a little bit choppy. SNMP is the lowest float, guys, so I'm gonna keep that on watch. The lowest float is the top gainer right now. Watching to see if we get this momentum to turn positive here on the 3-minute. If we break this 128, we can get some momentum to the upside. It already halted once, so all traders are looking at SNMP. Lowest float, top gainer. Continue looking. Breaking to the downside right now. It has $1 support. If it holds, if not, it can come and test this view up. 200 EMA. That's why we don't get in this trades right here in the 1 minute, because the momentum in the larger time frame is still going to the downside. So very important that you look at always at the bigger time frame and see what it's doing. RPOs trying to bounce off that 133 uptrend here. Momentum is still to the downside. You see this? So this would not be an entry unless we can break above this 150 area. We keep having this resistance here. A lot of resistance in this area. 147, 150 area. Not much action, guys. How was it Friday? Friday I was out of town. I think I mentioned it to you guys. I was going to be out of town Friday. So I didn't trade Friday. SNMP trying to hold that $1 area. See what else is going on. Tesla trying to hold that 200 EMA. Everything's kind of coming down, guys. We just had a quick drop in the morning at the market open, then we had a quick pop, and then everything's just coming back down again. No direction whatsoever on all these stocks. SFT went up nicely. This is a long-term hold, guys. I have been adding on all these dips right here in this area, so I'm up nicely on this one. We can get up to $9 and break $9. Look at this nice downtrend on 9. Looking pretty. It's a long-term hold for me, so I'm adding dips. TLRY breaking 1460. Look at TLRY. Yeah, it's up there already, man. So if it can't break 1460, it's gonna have some sort of pullback, either to VWAP or the 200 EMA, and then possibly try to curve back up if you can get some momentum to continue. Did you have any news? No, I don't see any news. But yeah, keep on watch on that. Yeah, look at the 3-minute, the 5-minute, whatever you prefer, and see when it starts losing momentum. It's probably gonna have some downside before another leg up. SNMP held at $103 now. We're gonna have some resistance on VWAP. Go back to SNMP. Okay, so let's see if we can start getting some momentum to the upside. We could break this 128. We do have some room on the daily to about 146. It is the lowest float. It is top gainer right now. So that should be on your top watch list. CLA held at 211 support there. Watching SNMP. TLRY 1473. Take a look at it. Yeah, definitely breaking this trend here at the 4 hour. We can build the next candle, the next 4 hour candle above this trend line. Yeah, that's gonna look real pretty. Come and test this trend on the 4 hour. 16, around 1639, 50, around there. Yeah, closing the next candle above this trend line here on the 4 hours can be huge, Steven. Just keep an eye on that. What is CLA doing? This one just not doing nothing. Soaring down. SNMP. Tesla just giving everything back. DIV. Still coming up. The plan is to make some gains of DPW. I mean, TLRY and bring them to the DPW. Okay, that's the strategy. Awesome, man. You're still in DPW, right? You've been swinging it. SNMP. SNMP wants to set up. SNMP testing that view up there. I'll start taking some dips here on SNMP. See, we hold that $1 support. If it breaks below $1, I'm out. So the plan here is that we are starting to show signs of reversal. If the plan is if we can cross over the VWAP and then break this high of day for, I'm starting to get some, only risking 3 cents. My buddy in our chat just bought 1K worth of DPW. Let's see where we're going. I have 10 shares to keep on my watch. Waiting for 220 to rebuy. I don't think DPW will move past 250 to mid-June. Pain. 250. June, okay. IMD. IW inputs. Okay, just getting some more dips here on SNMP. I usually don't like to buy below VWAP, but it's a low risk here. I'm only risking 3 cents. It's trying to hold that $1 support. Breaks $1, I'm out. So I'm only risking 3 cents here. Nice bounce there after a dip. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Let's see if we can get some more volume, guys. SNMP. There we go. I didn't get to get in full position. I was buying dips all the way down to $1, only risking 3 cents. I'm only in half position right now, but I'm willing to take that at see if we can break high of day. We are gonna have this 128 resistance here. We are curling up on the MACD though. We'll see what happens. See if we can break it here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Got a lot of green coming in. Let's go, let's break it. Kind of getting a triple top here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Just having trouble at that 121. Let's go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Get a new high. Let's get a new high. Get a new high. Get a new high. Yeah, it's not working.
3, 2,
I was hoping we would break out there. We're barely crossing here, the MACD. And what did I get? 16. I got a 16 cent move, so not bad, not bad. I was looking to break out. This is a low float. I was hoping to just water come in and just break out and get a new high, but I like the tape. Oh, TLRY. Okay. He got 1,000 TLRY. J, you're IWN. Okay. IWM. SNMP trying again. We are crossing to the positive here on the MACD. Should have held a little bit more, maybe. The thing is, I wasn't in full position, SNMP. I think we're gonna try now. And so I couldn't sell half of my position because I was only in half to begin with. So if I would have been in full position, I would have sold half and just held half. That's usually the strategy. Having a hard time. And VIV, man, just keeps going up. Let's go. This is a swing that I have. Me also. Man, if maybe we can break above this range, would be nice. Recent range. SNMP having a lot of problems there. A lot of problems. Oh, I was gonna check. James talking about puts in AWM. Let's look at that. Okay, so yeah, this morning puts would have worked out nice, but now it's in a reversal. Hopefully you took some profits. Nice $3 move if you got the top J. TLRY up 7.5%. TLRY hit $15. Nice. Okay, so TLRY now we're showing signs, a little signs of weakness here. See on the 3-minute, we're getting a blue bar. MACD starting to get close. You see the MACD kind of, get going in a downtrend momentum here. Plus the TTM squeeze showing signs, so it's probably hit the top for right now. Come back and test VWAP, and then probably have another leg up. We'll see, but if we could get the next 4-hour candle above this downtrend, that's gonna look really, really nice. So it's probably due for a nice pullback now. We'll see. We'll see on TLRY. Yeah, I've just been riding really nice from the open. Why did you get on TLRY, Steven? Is there some sort of cannabis news going on, or it's just a technical play? Why are you guys on TLRY? You'd have a nice move. Is there like cannabis rumors going around? Let's look at ACB. ACB, nice move to $7. Oh, there it is. God. There's the, oh my goodness. There's the new high SNMP. Yeah, it took a little bit of patience. Just with this market, man, it's tough to trust it. There's a new highs. I was hoping we would do that, around this area where I was in. I think I got out once we couldn't get a new high here. I got out on this candle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7 minutes later, we got that break up to the upside. Yeah, that's tough on a bull market. You know, when everything's going nicely, it's I would have held this just right now, man. Just you hold too long and you can give everything back. And I was up nicely, so took my profits and I ran. See, that's the thing, guys. Like, you're never gonna go broke taking profits. So, you know, right now is just take it before it takes it away from me. The kind of market that we're in. Normally in a hot market, I would have held this, no doubt. No doubt, I would have held that. I could have also played the flag break here, but you know, being up this high, last week I caught like in 2 flag breaks. No, I think it was one, like on Thursday, flag breakout, and I just gave everything back of what I had made. It merged with I don't even know how to pronounce that. But it seems cannabis plays are moving. SNDL. SNDL. Okay, SNDL moving nicely. Man, SNDL, look at the support right down here, man. Around this area, nice consolidation, and now we can move up to we have room to run to $1, 141 if cannabis gets hot. Oh, SNMP, look at you go. Look at you go. Yeah. And this is the thing, like, you gotta you gotta keep your emotions intact, because what's gonna happen is if you let this, if I let this get to me, guys, next time I'm gonna want to hold longer on something that I'm already up, and what's gonna happen is, you know, I'm gonna lose all my gains. So you gotta stay very disciplined, and you know, no matter what, just continue taking profits. But everything looks good, Gucci. And this one, just right in that 3-minute round right there. Now, when I did get out, the MACD was barely crossing on the 3-minute. So that was a little iffy. So it is a low float. It can just flush to the downside as well. That's what happened to me last week. So I have that in mind, and I didn't want to give anything back. So. Could've, should've, would've. Can't live in the past. You gotta move on. DBGI also coming out. Scanner DBG. That what that one's doing. Oh, it's an IPO. Digital Brands IPO. 415 a share. Pricing of 10 million initial public offering. Okay, so this IPO I ran nicely on this morning. Give everything back. Interesting. Let me see what my investment stocks are doing. How are we doing today? All right, we're coming up. We're bouncing up. We're bouncing. The one that's down right now is coin. 238 area, new low. I broke that 240 area support, so I'm gonna wait and see if we can go to the 200s on this one to add more to my position. Have a long term on coin. I'm adding long term. Just get new low. I'm not gonna add any more right now. KNG. Been down to 43. We hit 40 on Friday. We missed that dip right there. 40. That was nice. I'm gonna put a limit over there. Let's see if we test it again this week. Cancel. SQ square. Let's see. Yeah, on square. We hit 180. What's Doge doing? Hey Doge. We had a dip here on 45. Back up. What else is moving? SNMP making new highs on 144. Look at this, guys, just riding that trend on that 3-minute. Got our signal. Just riding the upward momentum. Remember, this was my watch right out of the gate. I kept telling you I'm watching SNMP because it's the lowest float, the most volume, and finally making its move. ARPO trying to make a move too. They're trying to break that downtrend. IPO. At 148. Our size already up there. Let's see what happens. What's up with this one? Still swinging this one. Trying to see if we can get above this downtrend. An upward move. We get some stuff toward the news. We'll probably hit the 193. Another one, I was holding a CIDM. We did break support. We did get break support on the daily here on I believe it was Thursday, and it ended up stopping me out, but it's still looking great, man. I might hop on it again. Yeah, it was this day, I believe. Yeah, stopped me out. You know how it is, guys. You gotta follow your you gotta follow your plan. That's the whole point. I said I would get out. It would break daily lows. You gotta stick to it. Even if the next day it moves up, you just have to stick to your plan. $46. What happened to the TLRY? Did it end up going down or keep going up? Okay, so yeah, it ended up going down a bit, and now it's back on. But this is the thing, like, we'll see. But MACD and momentum still to the downside. Okay, so TLRY, you often see this when, you know, you'll have a spike up, but momentum on the larger time frame still to the downside. So, you know, be careful. Be careful. If it breaks this trend around 1480, it's gonna have more downside move. Making new highs at TLRY. Be cautious on that one a little bit. I think you guys are in the green, so. Jay says got to be filled downside on WM. Okay. AUMN. AUMN. Did you mention this one, Jay? Like last week? Sounds familiar. There's down right here. The support on the 4-hour was nice. We're hitting the resistance now at 75 on the daily. Very low volume though, 325. Yeah, not my thing, but we can get above 500,000 in volume. But I think you mentioned it to me. I'm not sure if you're in already on this support here around 66. Yeah. If you're in from that support, you know, you're up like, you know, a few cents here. $75 resistance on the daily. Take above that. Let's have room to run to about 80 cents. Break that, 89 cents. At least you get more volume though. TLRY non-stop. Let's see, what is the deal? Yeah, I think TLRY is due for a nice pullback now. We'll see. I'm saying at some point it has to come and test that view up. We get that next 4-hour candle above this trend line, man. It's gonna be nice. You stay above that 200 EMA. Potential overnighter. TLRY. Teton. Oh, it's been on a nice uptrend since that dip back in the 6. A nice reversal. Apple. What's wrong with Apple? Man, I caught some Apple dips. Or was it over here? Hmm. 122 right here. Let's see what my average is. My average is 120. My average is 120. I'm not gonna add right now. Okay. Guys, don't forget to like the video and share it. Let's get some more traders in here, man. Jay and Steve, thank you for coming back, man, every day. ARPO ended up breaking this 146 area. No clear direction on Tesla. Just up and down, up and down. I like to play the Tesla reversals when, we're in a downtrend for, more than an hour, 2 hours, and just to move in a nice direction, to the upside or to the downside. It's just kind of up and down range. SNMP coming back down. Very choppy Tesla. SNMP breaking down. RPO. I missed the opportunity on this one. This would have been a good entry right here at the view up. Even though last week I had a few tiny losses there, view up, just wouldn't want to hold. Nice move. Make a new high in ARPO. Let's see what TLRY is doing. TLR guy just doesn't want to give up, man. 15.18. Wow. Doesn't want to give up. SWS is moving nicely today. What's going on? I have this one on my watch list. 76. We're now 87. What is going on with this one? I guess good earnings. Estimate sales 76. Beat 68 million estimate. Okay. Also, they had an estimate of 68 million and they got 76 in sales. Huh. Not bad. Not bad. We are breaking the daily. I have room to 125, 114 in the 4 hour. Not bad. Yeah, I had nice consolidation here for a few days. With that trend. Good earnings. I wouldn't be surprised if we get that 114, 125. So I had this one on my watch list too. Back to the BIG. Reversal signal here. Volume is not there. BIV looking Gucci. DEI, I'm assuming also looking Gucci as well. I just had to drop. 1 second. What happened? Oh. SNMP dropping down. Oh my gosh, ARPO. Jeez. Wow. Wow. We're halted to the upside. Wow. Nice. I was hoping to get that type of move with SNMP, you know? Some massive volume coming in, lower float. Instead, we got a very slow mover to the upside. Very nice. Very nice. You know, I'm moving still, yeah. Doesn't want to give up, Steve. The fighter. Guys, I'm gonna get some water real quick. I'll be right back. All right. What's going on? ARPO hit 190. What's Tesla doing? They're just trading sideways. Very choppy. SNMP went up to the downside. ARPO. Ever since we got the signal, man, just going up. 90 coming down to 170. LRY. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Nice and more. TLRY. Okay, now coming down. Finally. It's looking strong though. If TTM stays on positive and we get MACD to cross over to the positive, it's gonna have more upside potential. We'll see. We bounced off the VWAP there. Nice move on TLRY. Okay, let's go back to SNMP. After a nice move here on signal confirmation, we hit 146. ARPO, after getting our signal confirmation here, we hit 190. CJJD, not looking good. Look at this. The 1 minute looks like a barcode. We're not messing with that one. We're not messing with that one either. Another one that I was looking at, DBGI earlier, IPO from last week. Not doing anything either. So let's look at DPW. I like DPW over 250. You can get DPW over 250, it'd be nice. SNMP. The RPO is being a fighter right now. So no signs of a reversal yet on the 3 minute here. So the top watches right now is SNMP and ARPO. Let me delete some lines here and I clear up the chart a little bit. Yeah, so if you look at where we came to hit, guys, on the daily. We hit this 189 resistance or 190 right at the trend line. So, I mean, trend lines are your friends. We've been hitting them. Every time we see a trend line on the 4 hour of the daily that we're close to, you know, we go up to it and we touch it. We've been seeing it a lot. The open, we went over it and we gave you that resistance area. If you put a 90 MA or 13 or 10, whatever you use, they're all very similar. Everybody uses something similar. I use the 10 and the 9. It's almost identical. Some of you like to use the 13, but if you put it here, it's holding up very well. I don't put it because I like to keep the charts a little clean. I already have too much stuff going on, so I have it on another chart on my other screen, main screen, but on this one that I share with you guys, I don't put it because I feel it gets too cluttered. So I want you to see the trends pretty clean. If there's something you want me to look at, guys, let me know. Put it on the comments. I'll look at it. ARPO. Now ARPO, I wouldn't chase it at this time. We're hitting resistance here, and you know, we've been last week. There's been traps at the high day break. Okay, shorts getting heavily, and it just gives you a big flush. So, you know, don't be chasing up here. We are hitting the resistance that we have this $2 maybe. But what could happen is we could get a break of 190, hit $2, and as soon as we hit $2, it would just flush down. We saw that happen last week on a couple of stocks. So yeah, be careful on that one. if you're quick on getting in and out, that could work also. 10-cent move right there, but just more risky. We'll see. Let me know in the comments if you want me to look at something, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, and like the channel. It'll really help. TLRY, let's take a look at it again. Yeah, so he came down. Didn't quite touch VWAP yet, but that's exactly what I said. Remember that I said that MACD, you know, we had curled down to the negative side and it was still going up. And so a lot of times, especially on smaller float stocks, you get a move to the upside when we're on the negative side on the MACD, and the TM is showing signs of weakness as well. It'll usually be a trap. We'll move, make a new high, and then it'll just flush down. In this case, TLRY is not a low float, so you know it's a little bit of both slow mover, but same concept, you know. RPO now. RPO just coming down, getting back up, bought back up. Momentum is still to the upside, showing no signs of weakness yet, but we'll see. RPO. Just this area is a little bit more risky to be trading. You know, these were the areas where you want to get in. I was hoping for this type of move around this area. We didn't get it. Let me know if you want me to look at something. RPO coming down. If we break the support right here at 169. Probably come and test that VWAP around 151. All right, RPO coming down. TLRY doing, getting a little bounce there. Momentum still to the negative side. Just let it consolidate for a little bit. See if we can get second leg up. SNMP. Spies down to the downside. DPW, you wanted to dip. You want to add to your position. Is that what's happening, Steven? RPO coming down. DME is up today. DME. Okay, so hitting the resistance there around 168. 170 area, the 4 hour. That's what's happening. See, when you look at this larger time frames, guys, you can see where the stock is heading to. And why it's not getting above those levels. That's why I look at the 4 hour and the daily. They're my favorite. DPW dip. So Steve's looking for a DPW dip. Let's look at it. Okay, so we're just moving in this range around 30 to 40. We're not holding the 200 EMA VWAP. Yeah, this thing gets above 250, Steven. I'll get some momentum. I'll bring some volume in here. Right now, we're only trading at 634,000 in volume. We can get over 1 million and cross over 250. It's yeah, I would like that. I would definitely get in the bandwagon. SNMP coming down. We had this nice entry right here. Signal 146. RPO also had this signal and went up to 190. DBGI, it's an IPO that we're looking at, just soaring down, not doing nothing else. CJJD, soaring down. 1 minute looks like a barcode. Not interested in that. CALA, not doing much. We're on a downtrend. We can get above this 223, 325, probably natural resistance. We'll break above that. We have view up on the way. It's gonna be tough, but keep this one on watch. If we can get above that 250 area, it does have room to run on the daily. So keep this one on watch to tomorrow. See what happens. And then we have some traders trading TLRY. We're still on a negative momentum. Don't let this fool you. In the 1 minute, look at always the bigger time frame to kind of give you confirmation for an entry. Okay, so TLRY looking good. I want that 4-hour candle to be above the trend for a possible overnight. So we hold above 200 EMA. This would be a good overnight, whether you want to take shares or calls of TLRY. It would be a good risk reward trade idea there. So keep that on watch. And then we have Tesla. Tesla very choppy today. Not a clear trend of where it wants to go. So I haven't traded anything on it. But it is forming a nice downtrend here. If we break above that, we have 200 EMA right above. So just look at this, choppy all over the place. Now we would have had a very nice downtrend, like all the way down here. Could have looked for a possible reversal. If this uptrend would just continue, would have looked for some puts downside, or just a day trade scalp. But it has no direction. So staying away from Tesla today. Okay, SNMP. Keep reverse it. VWAP. Keep an eye on that here. 119. We hold that 119 support really quick. Yeah, no, it's not holding. Got out a break even right there. Actually, I made 1 cent. All right, I'll take it. It's 10:30. Let's see if we can get a reversal here on SNMP. I'm gonna watch it carefully here. ARPO holding at 164 as support, but MACD's looking a little bearish. Sometimes it does get like they want to cross, and then we have the bounce. Let's see if we can start seeing some sort of strength here on the TTM squeezing. Go back to this light blue bars. Probably gonna come into this VWAP. Keep an eye on this one. FSR. Nice. I started getting some dips on FSR. Let me see what my average is. Hmm. 1016. Okay. I'm up on FSR today. I started adding dips long term here. All right, guys, let me know if you want me to look at something. This is the time. Just kind of waiting on charts to play out. Nothing going on. TLRY. TLRY back to positive momentum here. Okay, it's just holding up very well. TLRY hold up very well. So keep an eye on this, guys. Once TTM and MACD start crossing above, showing some sign of reversal, probably gonna come up and get a new high on TLRY, holding up very well. But if this thing continues, all right, it just shows bigger signs of a downside, then I'll probably come and test this VWAP. But right now we're following this trend. Let's draw a trend line here. So we need to stay above that trend right there. 15 breaks. $15 break. We're gonna get and we're gonna come and test that 15.18. That breaks. We're gonna get about 15.40, 15.50. SNMP. Not eye on this one. Then 30 minutes before lunchtime. Okay, we're trying here again. Holding that VWAP. Trying again. Okay, I got some there at 124, 25. See if we can hold up. Starting to show signs of reversal. I'm only risking 3 cents again. Here we go. Here we go. Break that 128. $130 breaks. We have room at 136, 140. So let's break that 128. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Did we touch 136? 32. $32, let's go. I had a 136 fail and it didn't fail me. Just like we touched it and it didn't get filled. We do have confirmation now. Got a doge. Let's see what if. Let's see what happens to that doge. Bottom or up. What are we gonna get? Flat top or flat bottom? If we break above that doji, we're gonna have a move up. We break below that doji candle, we're gonna have a move down. So watch. We're testing that bottom doji, yeah. Okay, well, holding. MACD wants to cross, so watch, unwatch. Stop loss would be around below 122. This below that signal there. We can hold VWAP there.
In the sky. to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for
And let's see, we hold that 124 support I got in earlier. I'm back in here at the support. We break below, I'm getting out. Okay, 23. Holding 25. Okay, so we held so far. $25. Okay, we held at 124 support. My ID wants to cross over. Let's see if we can do it. Testing 124 again. $20, $24. Let's keep testing. If it breaks, like 125. A lot of buyers there, 124. Now we have this downtrend that we need to break. Break above that, some upside. If we can't break above that trend, I'm gonna get out. We need to get up now. So SNMP. This is the lowest flow we have today. Nike wants to cross. Let's see. Let's make it or break it here. 25 holding. 25. Come on. Let's go break that. Okay. Let's go. Let's continue. Continue. The next candle has to open above that trend. For continuation. All right. Yeah, it's getting a bit concerning here. 125. See if we can get a squeeze to the upside. Volume. Not enough volume there at the break of that trend. Looking a little weak. Looking a little weak. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Take the 2-cent profit there. Let's see. Oh, we are showing momentum. Let's see. This volume was looking weak overall. 125 still had a lot of buyers. Let's see. RPO now moving to the upside too. RPO real quick. RPO. RPO is a little tricky because we still have negative momentum. And the price actually is moving to the upside. So a little bit more tricky. SNMP. Still holding at 125. It's getting close though. If it breaks below that 125, it's gonna go down. Breaks. 124. Low volume. Yeah. Very good right now. $124. 120 period crack. Gonna go down. The RPO doing We have about 6 minutes to lunch hours, guys, so it'll be a little tricky now. The IV still holding up pretty strong here. Yeah, not looking too good. We got the MACD cross, but TTM squeeze not moving to the upside. Yeah, correct. So. Yeah, it was looking weak. That's why I got out. So I've scalped this one a few times. Biggest win was on this move here. And I had a break even, and then I got in at 124, trying to sell 136, and then got the dip again at 124 and sold at 126. It was just looking too weak. So RPO still hanging on. Looking good. RPO. Once we get confirmation on the 3-minute, we get a good scalp on this one. Running out a little bit riskier for my taste. I like to have the DTM showing some sort of. Oh, look at that spike right there. Some sort of confirmation, and the MACD kind of getting closer to a curl up. But ARPO doesn't care about that. It just spiked to 186 and went back down. SPY in the red today. Tesla in the red today. Let me know if you want me to look at something before we finish this live day trading. Yeah, SNMP not giving up, man. Came to that 120 support again and bounced right back up. At least in the positive. Once we get a TTM squeeze on the positive, yeah, we can come and test this area again at 145. But we'll see. We are getting signals to the downside here. Look at Dogecoin before we end the stream, guys. Dogecoin down at 140, 147, 47 cents. 4-hour MACD did cross. That's not a very good sign because MACD traders tend to not hold on MACD crosses. You see, also crossing on the 1 hour and daily, also on the negative side. So you need to hold above this 43 area. Some dips around this area would be nice. If you're not in Doge and you want to look to be getting in, 43.6 area would be a nice dip. If it breaks below that, you can look for an exit, or you can add down here at 34. There's a lot of buyers in this area. You see this wicks, when they came down, they just got bought right back up. So keep an eye on that. Back to 126. Where my exit was. RPO doing, RPO coming to 170 support. 170 support. Here we have the trend line. We are showing signs of reversal. If my D can go back up. Could be a nice entry here with a 2 cent bouncing back already. 168, 169 area would have been nice. You know, with a 2 cent stop loss there. Usually I like 2-3 cents, between 2 and 3 cent stop losses on supports. Mental stop losses, I don't add our stops. Just if the market makers see that, they take you out. Okay, we are building some reversal here, momentum. MACD look like he wants to start crowding up. We'll see. Volume is low. It is now 11 o'clock, guys. So we are having that 175 resistance. SNMP not giving up. Now up 30. We're trying to hold that 168 support. We come into this trend line again. I'll probably start picking some up with only risking 2-3 cents. It looks like MACD is starting to curl. We're showing signs of reversal. So 175 natural resistance. I was thinking of buying the support, but I don't know. I'm gonna risk it. The volume is just too low. It's lunch hours. Okay, I think it's gonna break support there. All right, guys. So it's lunch hours. I'm gonna take I didn't take my lunch here, but keep an eye on the rest of the day. SNMP is the lowest float. Keep an eye on that one. If we stay above VWAP 200 EMA, still good trade to scalp. And ARPO, same thing. Keep an eye on this one for potential high day test. Now we're forming this flag here, so that's $2, and then we are hitting this already resistance, and then the next one will be $2. So that's probably what you look for. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Share the video so other traders can join us tomorrow. If somebody wants to learn how to day trade, wants to know what to look at, how to trade support and resistance, go ahead and share this video with them so they can trade along with us live every day here in the morning as we trade penny stock, options. I like to trade Tesla, just no opportunities today in Tesla. Also look at Dogecoin and whatever the market presents, guys, that's what we're going to be trading. So thank you so much for tuning in once again. A shout out to my boy Steven and Jay for tuning in today and trading alongside with us. So guys, till next time, I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you want me to look over something, go ahead and put it in the comments and we'll look over it tomorrow. So thank you guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share the video. See you guys tomorrow.